Okay, I just got your email talking about questions with the Cahokia questions, and I'm not exactly sure what your question may be, but I'll quickly review down and then just email me back with any questions you may have, okay? So you're in the first unit, and if I scroll down, we're looking at the Cahokia questions. I come all the way down here, and the assignment is really starting right here. And there's a copy of questions right here, so while you're reading the article, these are here so that you can kind of quickly reference them. This is what we're looking for. Here, though, is the link that will take you to the Google Doc that has the questions on it. And you'll see here, I've tried to explain the course book that you have actually has an error, and that may be part of what your confusion is right now. You'll see the course book lists a 1.2 assignment 1.2 as a quiz. It's not a quiz. It's these questions. Now you do these questions as a Google Doc, you make that document public, you share it publicly, and then put the link to these questions in your course book. Let me show you exactly what I mean. If you click on this, when you click on this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come over here and click when it loads. You'll click File, Make a Copy. And you'll see that on this sheet there are the Valley of Mexico questions, and that has to do with the link above, and then the Cahokia questions. If you click File, Make a Copy, you would then be able to type right on the sheet and answer the questions out of there. This would be the copy that you would publish and put the link in for me to look at. If you scroll down, you can click on this link and it will take you to the Cahokia questions. These are the same ones that are actually on the site that you can refer to as you read. When this is done, you would come over here and you would hit share. Yours would be private when you made your copy. You would change it to public, as I already have on this, and then this would be the link that you would put in your course book. And your course book is actually right here, and you could put that in right here on the assignment link. You would paste that link here. That's how you would hand it in to me. As far as the assignment itself, again, the Cahokia questions refer to this article right here on the left. You would read down through it, and the questions basically go in order, order of the article. The other questions, the Valley of Mexico questions that are on the same document, you may actually skip those questions because the Google book that I had inserted is no longer copyright free, and Google pulled it. It was on there, and now they've taken it back. So you may skip the Valley of Mexico questions and just complete the Cahokia questions. If your confusion is more specific and has to do with exactly how to find the answers to these questions from this, to give you an example, Cahokia was the apogee. That vocab word is what apogee mean. How does this apply to a civilization? Again, you could do a quick Google search for the definition and then think about how that definition applies to a civilization. If your question has to do with really the content of the article, just email me back and we'll try to schedule a time where we could both be on at the same time and talk about that. That's a completely reasonable question, but I'm going to start with is your confusion about exactly what the assignment is. So I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any problems, and I'll talk to you soon.